Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites fast. Sign into your Google account and enable Gemini Photo in the app settings. Once done, make sure you grant photo, camera, and storage permissions so the tool can access and edit images. If two-step authentication appears, complete it to secure access. Then pick an album or a few single images to test with. Start small so you can verify edits quickly and avoid processing large libraries until you confirm settings. You'll now move into the core editing steps. Open an image, tap Enhance and choose Gemini Suggestions to let the model propose fixes. Then make targeted adjustments, exposure, color temperature, and crop. Because automatic fixes may need human refinement, use the preview to compare before you apply. If you have many similar shots, use batch mode to apply consistent edits quickly. Also pay attention to lighting differences, so you don't overcorrect shadows or highlights across varied images. To finish, export your optimized photos by selecting Format and Quality, then choose a save location. Always save a copy before destructive saves so you can revert. Once exported, check images on multiple displays to confirm color and detail. If results look off, try clearing the app cache and rerun edits with adjusted strength settings, or revert to the history step and tweak only one parameter at a time. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh permissions and model state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.